Hey YouTube, it's your girl aishadelley, and this is the look that I'm creating today, so continue watching. There's something wrong with this mirror, I swear, because every time I look in the mirror and I look at my eyebrows, they look good. Then I go and do something, and then I come back and then they done change shapes and but I ain't even tripping. They look too good, even though they're not even. So I am going to blend out this concealer underneath my brows. Okay, so you're probably getting tired of me and you're like, well, why are you posting every day? Hey, it's my grind. I'm trying to flex, okay? No, I'm just kidding. But this is something that I enjoy doing. The palette that I'm using is the Dark Magic palette by Jaclyn Hill. You're probably like, why didn't you just review the whole collection? Because why review a whole collection in one video when I can do 4 videos and still review the whole collection? Okay, so here are the swatches going from left to right. It goes with Poof, Power Cut, Trickery, Diversion, Potion, Busted, Inside Job, Mojo, and Temptress. Well, there's only 2 shimmers in this whole palette. I like that Power Cut. That's a really pretty shimmer, and it's really consistent. Now with the mattes, I am not going to lie, I did have to swatch them and blend them out a couple of times, but overall, they are really pigmented and pretty together. So I'm going to get that color Poof, and I'm going to put it right underneath my brow. I'm going in with, and I'm just going to go a little bit underneath my brow, in the same area. So I don't know if it's because of my concealer, but it looks a little bit darker right there, and I don't know why. It could be because of my concealer. I feel like you don't need a lot of this color because it's a light brown, and it kind of would look awkward if you put too much. So I'll be using, for sure, 100,000%, I'll be using most of these colors because they're just so many pretty colors. How can you not use these colors? So the next color I'm going in is Mojo, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Okay, this looks a little bit awkward. I'm going to use that blending brush and blend it all out. And a little shout out to my baby hairs because they look freaking bomb. Okay, I would say they're not moving, but hello, I don't want to go and then all mess up because I spent 10 minutes trying to do this. So going back in using that blending brush, I'm gonna blend out that Mojo, and with that okay, so this really looks like a dark purple instead of a dark brown. I don't know why. I'm going to go in with this Temptress. Okay, I'm going in with the black color, okay? Because I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know if I'm saying it good. But I'm going to simply just lightly dab because I don't want it to put a whole black spot right there and not be able to blend it out well. So I'm just going to slowly build up that dark color. Okay, this isn't black. This looks like dark navy blue. Okay, I think it's this concealer that's making my colors change. I don't know why though. With the flat end of the Anastasia brush that's given, I'm going to go in with Inside Job, which is a dark green. Okay, I'm going to add some more of that black. So I'm basically going to just be going back and forth with these colors. I'm going to go in with Busted, which is a really pretty blue that is absolutely to die for. Adding some more of that green, some more of that black. I'm gonna go in with that that blending brush, and I'm gonna just soften up these edges. Okay, I'm gonna add some more of that black. I really want it to pop, even though it's like you can't really see it that much. To be honest, like if my eyeshadow doesn't look good, like my hair looks good. When you're using like bright colors like this, you gotta spend forever like blending, cause like it just won't look right. This blue, like literally is my favorite color throughout this whole palette, like this whole collection, to be honest. And you know what, guys, I am so proud of myself. Like I've never done this on my channel, and I've never posted 3 days in a row, and you know, I'm just so excited. Like I've never done it. I'm really serious. Like there's a lot of things that I want to do, and I'm 18 and I'll be able to do it just one step at a time. You know, I can't rush anything, but like I am a really ambitious person. Oh, this one is like so blended out, like blended, well, halfway blended and not blended at all. Like more black into the outer corners. Oh, like guys, I'm feeling myself. Like I'm feeling myself. Okay, so I gotta quickly do this. So I'm going in with Potion, and I'm going to go. Oh shoot! Psh, getting ahead of myself, homegirls. I got to put my powder on. I was gonna do Power Cut with some glitter, but since I have to rush, I'm just gonna put Power Cut into my inner corners, and then I am just going to highlight and blush, put my lashes on, and say peace. Okay, so going in with Potion and going on my lower lash line. Ooh, that looks good. Okay. Okay. I can't do it. Cardi B, I can't. I'm going in with Poof and blending out that green. Highlight time. Time to pop and shine. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like this look as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to press that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post. And you know, go ahead and check out my Instagram and Snapchat if you want to. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.